Let's talk about creating pricing structures. How are you going to price your product or service? This step is important and must be extremely calculated. Pricing will be based on your costs combined with other variables. Once you create pricing, you set your expectations for your market. Price strategically and conscientiously from the beginning. Pricing should also be aligned with the target audience that you've defined earlier. So, if you're selling vegan cookies, do your research. Maybe the research and statistics will show that vegans have a higher income bracket. Sometimes it is perceived that more expensive products are better, even though that's not true, guys. If this is the case, you may want your company perceived as being more luxury. Or you may decide that you want to have lower margins and sell larger quantities. You sell to the masses, you live with the classes, you sell to the classes, you live with the masses. Revert back to your goals. Your pricing will be a combination of your costs, your target audience, your overall brand identity, and your desired profit margins. So assess how you value your time and understand the numbers. Again, time is money. How much time does it take you to create a dozen cookies? If it takes you 1 hour and you want to earn $20 an hour, you need to take that into account when you're pricing. So add your desired profits into your cost of goods sold plus your overhead. With our cookie example, if the ingredients cost $5, packaging, ingredients, delivery, that's $5, and those are all your costs involved, so no overhead, and you want to profit $20, you need to charge $25 for each dozen cookies. Startup costs are one-time purchases and shouldn't necessarily be taken into account when you're pricing individual product units or your hourly time. Remember, it may take you a little time to understand your numbers, but there's nothing more important.